Hi, today we're going to learn how to use VPN to stay secure and private online. Wow, this is a tough job. Just kidding. When you use NordVPN, all it takes is just a single click. See for yourself. Click, and you're browsing securely on public Wi-Fi. Click, your ISP can't see what you do online. Click, and you're in a different country. Well, virtually. Any device you have there, NordVPN has you covered. Everything else is just details. But if you care to know more, NordVPN has more than 5,000 servers all over the world. It protects your sensitive data with advanced encryption, shields you from malware and phishing sites, and keeps no logs of your online activity.
Click link in the description and get 68% discount for your first order. Preparing for a museum trip. Browse the museums or artists' collections online. Depending on which museum or gallery you're visiting, you might be able to preview the collection you're seeing on a website. This gives you more time to look at and think about the pieces you'll be seeing. And you can do so without the pressure of feeling like you have to contribute to the conversation happening around you. For example, if you are about to visit MoMA, the Museum of Modern Art in NYC, you could do some research about modern art in general and research some of the pieces in the gallery. Ask a friend who won't judge. Perhaps one of your pals has an idea of what kind of art you may be seeing or even have personal information about the artist. Ask them to share some of their knowledge. There's nothing wrong with admitting you don't know much about the artist or type of art you'll be seeing and asking someone to educate you. Studying the artwork. Look carefully at the piece. Once you get to the museum or gallery you're visiting, choose a piece of art and really look at it. Even if you have no previous knowledge of the artist or the collection, you can ask yourself some questions about it. What is it? A painting, a photograph, a sculpture? What's it made of? Paint, pencil, plastic? How did the artist approach the medium? Does it look rushed? Like it took a lot of time? Looking at the piece and asking yourself questions can give you some material to work with when you're talking to your friends. Interpret the piece. Try to place it in the historical context in which it was created. That's where those plaques next to artwork come in handy. They might tell you about the artist's life, why the artist used specific materials, or what was happening in the world when the piece was created. Use those context clues to draw meaning from the art. Trust your instincts. It's totally okay to look at a piece of art and decide that you like it or don't based only on your instincts. But if you do feel that way, take some time looking at the piece and trying to figure out why you do or don't like it. It could be because of the colors, or maybe the shape of the piece, or the way someone or something in it looks. Being able to articulate why you do or don't like a piece of art can make you seem like you get it in conversation with others. Employing conversational techniques. Ask what other people think. If you can't think of anything to say in conversation about art, ask others what they think. This takes the attention off of you and is a good conversational practice. You should interest in other people you're speaking to. Really pay attention to what others are saying. It's good manners, and they might say something that gives you an idea for your own contribution to the conversation. Draw comparisons to things you know better. If possible, draw comparisons between the art you're looking at and or discussing and a topic you're more comfortable with. It gives you the chance to speak about something you're more comfortable with. It can also make you look like you understand art even more because you can connect it to other things. For example, maybe you're an avid reader and you have a favorite author. Does any of the